Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to reverse order in list in Python. So I have a list of areas and I'm going to reverse the order of the elements in the area in areas. So how I can do it? I just have to uh, make a method of areas dot reverse reverse and simply I'm going to print this method. So print areas dot reverse. Click on run. Okay, 11 to what's the issue? Okay, so just change this. Just write print and then print areas. Check this out. So we successfully reversed the order of elements in list. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.